Okay, now that we've been through the block method, I'm going to show you the method that I learned in high school, which really is just a memorization tool. It's just a mnemonic, if you will, for helping to remember the orders in which orbitals fill. You can see it, so if you're more of like a spatial reasoning person, this might appeal to you more, but sometimes you just need a good hack, and so this is it. Mr. Reeves and I both learned this in high school. It seems kind of like a cheat, but it works. Okay, so here's what you do. Remembering that s orbitals have 2 electrons in each, p orbitals are going to have 6 electrons in each, and d orbitals are going to have 10 electrons in each. You have to memorize this little schematic, and I'm going to draw it on the board, and I'm going to send it to you also. So you draw your s orbitals in a row: 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s. Then you skip down to start your p orbitals. There is no 1p. So 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p. And then d orbitals, you step down again. D orbitals start at the 3rd row. 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d. And then there's f's, but this ought to be enough for us. Okay, now, the next thing you do after you draw this little schematic is you draw arrows. The arrows are going to tell you which orbitals fill first. They're going to start in the top right and go to the bottom left. And if you've written your numbers in neat rows, your arrows should pass through like so. Okay, let's see if it works. Again, you're going to follow the purple arrows to tell you that first you fill 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, then 3d, then 4p, then 5s, rather than looking at the blocks. But it's all the same. So let's try another one from the book using this method. On Your Own 7.9 says write the electron configuration for arsenic. Okay, arsenic is poison. Arsenic is atomic number 33. It's right here on the chart. 33. So let's see, we have 33 electrons that we have to write the configuration for. Let's see if we can do it. We're not going to use the block, we're just going to use this. And fill these until we get to 33. 1s2. Well, we got to 2. 2s2. Now we have 4. Now we're going to go after this one. Now we're going to hit 2p. It's our first p orbital. 2p, fill it up because we're going all the way to 33. Then 3s. I should have written smaller. 3p. 4s. Sorry, I'm going to write this again. So I have more room. That's a mistake anyway. Okay. Let's erase this. Okay, again, we started with 1s and we're just trying to reach 33 when we add all of our subscripts together. So we have come this far. We're at 3p6. Next comes 4s2. Now where do we go? Well, we go up here, and it says to do 3d next. How many in D? 10. Let's check and see if we're getting close to 33. 1, so 2 and 2 is 4, 10, 12, 18, 20, 30. We're almost there. So after 3D comes 4p, and I'm only going to need 3 more. All these subscripts should add up to 33. Let's check. 4, 6 is 10, 12, 18, 20, 30, 33. This is the electron configuration for arsenic. And all we did was use this little trick. Now, if you want to check it with the block method, that's probably a good idea. Here's arsenic. You can see that we've been through 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s. We have all of those represented. In addition, we've been through 2p, 3p, and part of 4p. There's 2p, there's 3p, and there's our partially filled 4p orbital. And we did this whole first row of D block, yellow right here. There's our 3d10. Cool, huh? So this method may appeal to you more. It doesn't matter to me which you use as long as you get the right answer.